Mountain Crypto. I thought I'd just give a little update with all the excitement. The Fed rate cut 0.5%. Everybody's all excited. That definitely seems to have played into Bitcoin going up. We've jumped up to 62K. I was going to get some more prices here, but I've been having a heck of a time with the internet as usual. Excuse me. We'll look at CoinGecko if I can pull it up. But what do you do? Should you buy? Should you sell? What should you do? Well, that really has to depend on you, right? And what your long-term goals are or your short-term goals. I'm not a short-term trader. I'm a long-term holder. I believe that ultimately I would like to never sell any Bitcoin that I buy. Cryptocurrencies are what I tend to gamble on. But anyway, just to give you some updates, I basically am buying Bitcoin every single day. I really am. Technically, if you want to look at it, that's what I do. Not financial advice. You do what you want to do, but that's what I do. I buy it every single day. How do I do that? Well, I do it by mining. Pretty easy. I showed you a couple weeks ago the KSO Ultra that I bought. They're 100 watts a piece. I think I misspoke and said they were 60. They're about 100 watts a piece. I actually run them at like medium power, so they're probably a little less than 100 watts. That's when they're most efficient. So I'm trying to actually earn more than I burn, which I barely do. And I do that on NiceHash, which really pays the highest percentage on a day-by-day basis. You know, if you want to hodl the coins and wait for them to go up, certainly you could do better. If we do have an altcoin season, which I'm sure we will, so that could be a strategy if you want. I'm just getting the cash now in Bitcoin, and because I want to invest the money. That Bitcoin, some of it goes, you know, into my my offline cold storage, and some of it will go back into probably buying another mining unit or some sort of something like that. So that's how I do it. I figure I'm making money with Bitcoin that way because I'm trading electricity and an investment for Bitcoin, and pretty much everything I'm mining right now is barely profitable. And when I mean barely, I just mean pennies a day. It's not a lot. But over time, it adds up to dollars, and then tens of dollars, and then hundreds of dollars. So that can add up. And then over years, that can be more. And it's speculative. So, you know, we'll see how it goes. I think so far so good. Not getting rich, but making a few pennies on it. With the new boost to the market, with the interest rate going up, I think we're going to see Bitcoin start to go up. I didn't expect it to go up this quick. That was kind of a surprise. I think it'll probably stabilize out a bit. You know, in other words, we'll have a drop again, you know. But we'll have to see. Right now, it seems to be on a tear. Actually, let's see, 61, almost $62,000, $61,997 on CoinGecko. Ethereum's taking a little jump too. It's kind of following suit. You've got Ethereum at $2,404.90. So they're definitely doing good. Solana's up to 138. I'm not a big XRP person, but if you are, it's 58.5 cents. And Dogecoin is at 10, almost 10.5, and Toncoin is 5.72, still holding that 10th place. Oops, I just closed it somehow. Anyway, oh, there it is. It's open again. So, yeah, looking like good times are going to be hopefully in the next several months. to, I hope, in the next 3 to 6 months we see an all-time high. Some folks are saying that it looks more like it will happen at the end of the year. But historically, Bitcoin really cranks up when the interest rates go down like this. So, and the liquidity of money that's really the factor that drives up Bitcoin, is that there's just more money out there. They're just throwing all the world economy is just increasing the money supply by so much. And that's going to make assets like Bitcoin and gold and maybe real estate and things like that's going to make their price go up, because people want to put these dollars into something that the governments around the world are pushing into the economy. So yeah, so there you go. I'm buying Bitcoin every day. I dollar cost average. I'm doing an experiment right now. About a week ago, I bought, about a week and a half ago, I bought $10 of Bitcoin, $10 of USD, and $10 of Ethereum. And I just bought it on the Coinbase app. And then about a week ago, I bought $50 each of them. Now I am staking the ETH, and I am getting interest on the USDC. USDC is what I meant. So three things: Bitcoin, ETH, and USDC. And I might add Solana to that, because it is, almost, it's very, very close to ETH. I've kind of thought about doing the SUI, because that just seems to be a really great platform, and also Avalanche, maybe adding that to some coins that I might invest in for long term, because of they might go as an ETF in the future. Not investing advice, it's just something I'm thinking of doing, and you do what you want to do. These are some of the things I'm thinking. But anyway, this experiment where I buy this stuff at the same time, within, just buy one, then the other, and the other, like back to back, within a couple minutes, and see how the values hold out through the different market changes and stuff. And I will probably create a spreadsheet and share that with you from time to time, if you want to see how these small little investments will do over time, and which ones will get higher and lower and things like that. So I thought that would be kind of interesting. Really, I think that's about all I have for now. I will try to do a show in the next couple weeks. Going camping this weekend, and taking a group of young men for bushcraft training and camping and fishing, and really looking forward to some nice time away from the screen and out there in the woods, close to God and nature and all that good stuff. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little update. I hope you're all prepared for whatever the market may hold coming up. Is it going to continue to go up right now in the next week or so? I hope so. I kind of feel like it's going to go up a little bit, and then it'll dip back down again, in the next day or two, or maybe this weekend. So we'll have to see. The initial vibration of the market is usually bigger than what it should be, and then it kind of stabilizes. But overall, I'd sure like to see us going in a more upward trend. Higher lows and higher highs would be good news. That would put us in the trajectory of that $100,000 Bitcoin, and maybe even by the end of the year. Let's hope for the best. If not, by the end of the year, then 6 months, 9 months down the road, we'll see. All right, guys, take care. Over and out.